Is your kitchen overflowing with clutter? Let's fix that today. We're diving into the must-have kitchen organization essentials that will help you declutter, streamline, and totally transform your space. From life-saving tools to game-changing gadgets, I'm sharing my top finds that'll make organizing your kitchen a breeze. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to a beautifully organized space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video on all things kitchen and home gadgets. But before we dive in, if you're looking to save time and get free 2-day shipping on all your kitchen gadget needs, be sure to grab your Amazon Prime 30-day free trial in the link below. Now let's jump right in. First up, Prepdeck Chef Caddy Spice Rack. Stay organized with this sleek spice and oil organizer featuring 3 caddies, 12 spice jars, 2 oil dispensers, and both spice and blank labels. Its space-saving vertical design keeps your counter tidy and essentials within reach. The magnetic holders add flexibility, and the modern look fits any kitchen. Perfect for meal prep, gifting, or building your own spice library, this set makes cooking stress-free and stylish. Price, $69. Next up, MUDEELA 8-tier adjustable pan organizer rack. Maximize cabinet space with this heavy-duty, 8-tier pan rack that holds up to 80 pounds. Its adjustable design fits pots, pans, and lids of all sizes, making kitchen organization effortless. Built for strength and balance, it's perfect for cast iron, Dutch ovens, and more. Easy to install in just minutes, it transforms cluttered cabinets into tidy, accessible storage. A must-have for every organized kitchen. Price, $20.81. 3. Bread slicer with metal storage box. Enjoy fresh, evenly sliced homemade bread with this all-in-one set featuring a foldable bamboo slicer, adjustable guide, and metal bread box. The bamboo lid doubles as a cutting board, while the storage bag keeps everything neat. Durable, eco-friendly materials ensure long-lasting use, and the spacious box holds bread, bagels, or pastries. Perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and your bread fresher, longer. No more messy countertops. Price, $34.99. 4. Under sink organizers and storage. Upgrade your cabinet space with these double-sliding, height-adjustable 2-tier organizers made from sturdy ABS and rust-resistant stainless steel. Designed for easy access with dual pull-out drawers and anti-derail features, they fit perfectly under sinks or on countertops. Assembly is quick, no tools needed, and the hollow design keeps items dry and clean. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms to store cleaning supplies, spices, or toiletries. Price, $32.99. 5. Large wooden kitchen utensil holder organizer. Keep your kitchen tools tidy with this extra-large acacia wood utensil holder, featuring 3 spacious compartments for spoons, spatulas, whisks, and more. Crafted for durability and elegance, it includes a bottom-drying hole and wall-mounting hooks for flexible storage. The rustic design adds charm to any kitchen, while keeping essentials within easy reach. Perfect for maximizing space and staying organized while you cook. Price, $42.99. 6. Sakugi over-the-sink dish drying rack. Maximize kitchen space with this large-capacity, adjustable dish rack that fits sinks 30-inch to 33.9 wide. Made from rust-resistant 304 stainless steel, it holds dishes, utensils, cutting boards, and more, all while draining directly into the sink. Easy to install and clean, it includes utility hooks, a knife holder, and more for full kitchen organization. A sleek, space-saving solution for busy kitchens. Price, $24.99. 7. VITEVER Magnetic Spice Rack Set. Organize your spices in style with this 4-pack magnetic spice rack set featuring 24 square glass jars, pre-printed labels, and a collapsible funnel for easy refills. Strong magnets hold racks firmly to your fridge or microwave, no assembly needed. The sleek, single-row design makes spices easy to find, and premium materials ensure long-lasting durability. A perfect space-saving solution for modern kitchens. Price: $31. 8. HOMEKOKO Double Layer Large Bread Box. Keep your bread fresh and stylishly stored with this large bamboo bread box featuring a double-layer design. It holds 2 loaves plus extras, with a clear plexiglass window so you can check stock without opening. Elevated feet and rear gap help airflow and moisture control. Easy to grip and move, this rustic bread bin adds charm to any kitchen while preventing bread squishing or staleness. Price: $35.99. 9. Vacane 24 Capacity Egg Holder for Refrigerator. Organize your fridge with this clear, stackable egg tray that securely holds up to 24 eggs. Made of BPA-free PET plastic with non-slip pads and a silicone drawer limiter, it ensures safe storage and easy access without spills. Its durable, stain-resistant design keeps your eggs fresh and your fridge neat. Great for maximizing space on countertops or shelves, and perfect for families. Not dishwasher safe, just rinse and reuse. Price: $24.99. 10. OCG 2-Tier Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Maximize your kitchen cabinet space with this 2-tier pull-out sliding wood shelf. Measuring 17-inch WX21 DX15H, it offers easy access to pots, pans, and other kitchen essentials, even in deep cabinets. The precision ball bearing slides ensure smooth operation, and the height-adjustable drawers provide flexibility. Installation is quick with the included manual and hardware. Ideal for organizing base cabinets, making items easily reachable and clutter-free. Price: $114.69. 11. Kitchen Organizer Rack 4-Slot Heavy-Duty Holder. This versatile kitchen organizer rack is perfect for storing cutting boards, bakeware, and cookware, or even office supplies. With 4 spacious compartments, 1.5 inches each, it accommodates both slim and bulky items. Its compact size, 7.8 by 7.0 by 6.3 inches, makes it ideal for countertops, cabinets, or tight spaces. Made of rust-resistant steel, it's sturdy and durable, with anti-slip feet to keep it stable and protect your surfaces. Price: $19.99. 12. 360 Rotating 2-Tier 12 Jars Spice Rack. This innovative spice rack features 12 high-quality glass jars and a 360-degree rotating stainless steel organizer for easy access to your spices. It allows you to pinch, scoop, or sprinkle with its unique 3-in-1 lid design. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for your countertop or cabinet. The rack includes pre-printed and blank labels for easy sorting, keeping your spices fresh and organized. Price: $27.99. 13. YouCopia StoreMore Adjustable Bakeware Rack. Organize your bakeware, cutting boards, and pans with the YouCopia StoreMore Adjustable Bakeware Rack. Featuring 7 adjustable dividers, it keeps your items upright and separated for easy access. The coated steel dividers protect your bakeware from scratches, and non-slip feet prevent slipping. With a quick setup and space-saving design, this rack is perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets and pantry neat and tidy. Price: $19.99. 14. AuldHome Design Farmhouse Paper Towel Holder. Add rustic charm to your kitchen with the AuldHome Design Farmhouse Paper Towel Holder. This countertop dispenser features a fully enclosed design, keeping your paper towels clean and dry. Its distressed white enamel over galvanized steel complements modern farmhouse, industrial, and shabby chic decor. At 14.5 inches tall and 6.4 inches in diameter, it fits most standard paper towel rolls. Price: $31.99. 15. Hushee 6-Pack Bacon Cheese Container for Refrigerator. Keep your food fresh with the Hushee 6-Pack stainless steel airtight deli meat containers. These sleek, Durable containers come in multiple sizes, perfect for storing bacon, cheese, fruits, or lunch. Featuring a raised bottom design to reduce contact with food and equipped with secure lids for airtight freshness, they're ideal for fridge or freezer storage. Dishwasher safe and made of high-quality stainless steel, these containers offer both hygiene and style. Price: $35.99. Which of these kitchen gadgets organizers would you use first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome finds, and share this with your fellow kitchen lovers. Thank you for watching.